What's up with the game, man? I'm back with another YouTube video, man. I'm out here on this beautiful day. Y'all see the background, man. So, y'all, I was gonna fix the Bonneville, but you know I said I was selling the Bonneville in a way. But, so my dad wants this car, actually. So, we finna make a little trade here, man. I'm finna show y'all how to profit. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a little game real quick. I know plenty of y'all probably know, but the ones that might not know what I'm finna do or how I'm about to show y'all how I'm finna make this little profit. So this car here, y'all know I got this car, the project car. You know, we still working on it, whoop. But I decided to start working on it right now because I just got other stuff to do. The car that my dad got is an Impala, you know what I'm saying? You know, for a front wheel drive Impala. So he got the front wheel drive Impala, and I'm gonna get it. And I'm gonna, cause he was always one of the old school. Didn't matter what it was, as long as it was a photo old school. So my dad, he be into these cars too, man. He be putting rims and stuff on it, bumping and all that. He said he got some 24s at the house. I said, shoot, you should go some 6s, goddamn. But nah, 24 look good though. But I already told him what it need. Like I said, it's a project, it's gonna need some work. But he finna trade me his car, man. So I'm gonna get it his, and I'm gonna just flip his, and I'm just gonna sell his, you know what I'm saying? That way he'll have old school, something he wanted, and I'm just gonna flip mine. So, well, flip the one he give me. So like I said, man, it's a project. It's still being a family. It's something that he want. And, you know, my dad, man. So we're going to do it like that. Shout out to Carlos Edwards, man. I told him go ahead and make a YouTube page, man, because the boys down there the truth, man. So, y'all do know I'm got the gold coming. Like, y'all can see that one a little darker than this one. Probably because I'm not in front of it, but yeah, y'all can kind of see. But y'all see where I'm getting to with that, man. I don't want to show y'all too much of it, but cause she, you know, she ain't finished. So, like I said, damn, I gotta get a damn tag holder. But so yeah, man, he gonna come and get this mug. So in the meantime, I'm finna get some of this stuff out of here. So, you know, so it won't be in the way. I got a lot of stuff going on over here, man. Yeah, let me go ahead and crank this thing cold start. I haven't drove it since, I say probably about 3 days ago. I ain't drove this since. And I also need to crank that one up too, because I need to move that one anyway. What I'll probably do, since my dad coming over here, I want to surprise him. I told him I got my Chevys out. He haven't seen this one yet. He haven't seen that one yet, because I think it was gone when I had a swap, and then the other time he came, it was gone doing something else. So I don't think he's seen it in person yet. Maybe he did. But I'm finna move. I'm probably finna bag them in side by side. Yeah, that's what I do. I'm gonna go bag them in. And I still got one more. I'll let you know. If y'all don't know these keys, if y'all don't have one of these keys in y'all yard, I mean, at y'all house, you ain't got no old school. Yeah, man. If y'all don't got one of these keys, y'all know what I mean. I still got the original key. I still got the original though. Let's get a little cold start on this thing real quick. I gotta find out, y'all. Y'all comment down below, man. Y'all let me know. How can I fix this seat? I know it's a little dark. See, when I hit that switch, I know y'all can't see. but she do spin. So what does that mean? I definitely, y'all see how this seat leaning? I gotta fix it. So no pet gas. Y'all hear the fuel pump. I got something in this motherfucker. So, in the meantime, did a good ass job with that, man. So let me pull this one out real quick. Yes, sir. Now she got this thing squared away. I know I got to get a brake light. Appreciate the guy who let me know I need a brake light. And I ain't even, I ain't had the car in a little minute, so I ain't kind of realize it. But appreciate you for recognizing it. I need to, I'm gonna crank this bad boy up real quick. When I crank this one up, of course, I gotta wait till she idle up. I forgot what my mechanic said it needed. When they do that, y'all, what that mean? Oh, the throttle cable. I think it said the throttle cable. Not my throttle cable, the damn choke. I gotta get my choke set right. It's like even when I hit on the gas, she quiet a little bit, but she don't quiet just yet. But she gonna eventually quiet down when I hit on it. They got some of my pieces in there. But I gotta get that order, probably find this one. And also for I probably gotta get a whole switch, because this one don't let down here. And I don't know where this one go to. Let me see. I'm trying to do it one hand. Oh, okay. It will work. Damn. But will it go back up though? Have to figure out. And now she'll quiet down. Y'all don't hear a thing, man. Man, y'all don't hear a thing. That what really made me jump on it, for one, because she was still original. No smoke. She still was original. She still shift out good. She ride good. You know, man, like I said, it's a Broham. She clean. I gotta figure out what this is. Oh, this the computer. I gotta get this fixed up. I don't want that to spread. Overall, man, she good, man. Yes, sir. Good. Clean. Like they say, you can eat off the floor. That's something I have to take to like a vacuum place and let them, a car wash detail. Shit. I gotta see the window. That more quiet. Only thing I'm gonna do, change the oil, spark plugs, and wire. Leave it like that for a little bit. Let me see. So it went down. All right, y'all. So I can't get the damn thing back up, man. So I just took a picture of this thing. I'm just gonna have to order one of these. Just gonna have to order one of them. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to order one of them. All right, y'all, let me move this one up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn, oh. Let's see my damn mail, man. Your boy at home by himself, man. I'm just vibing, chilling. You know what I'm saying? Couple of projects, man. Just having fun, living life, man. Trying to stay blessed, you know. I want everybody to stay blessed. But let me move this, man. There's only one me, but you gotta make work. I need to fix this damn trunk. I hear that all inside. Definitely should have fixed it. Okay. Here go another one. Where this piece come from? Oh, it probably go from the driver's side. Passenger side. So, probably half. I'm probably gonna get my dad this TV too, because I don't even be using these no more. Yeah, I can hook all this shit up now. I know how to hook all of it up. You know, your ground. Let's see. Dang. I can hook all this stuff up. I used to back then. I ain't gonna lie, I used to. See, you can just do all this, put a TV in there. Yeah, I used to back then, man, but now I don't even hook these things up. Only thing, y'all, I was thinking about was getting a double sunroof in this motherfucker. What y'all think? Double sunroof in it. Just the ashtray. All right, y'all, just fix the trunk real quick. And she tight and sealed. I just had to bring that thing down a little bit. So yeah, she working now. So, like I said, just them 3 bolts, 1 here, 2 right there. Y'all just get those and just, I had went up with mine a little bit. So, I had to tighten it. Got tired of that wobble. Oh yeah, then I found this other piece. I had to slam it. All right, now we can check out the view. I just found the what's the name for that tag. We can check out this view. Yes, sir. Check out the view. Trunk fix. I just gotta get the damn dent repaired. Yes, sir. Y'all check out this view, man. Hey, when this bitch get painted though, she gonna go super hard. Which face y'all like? Y'all like this face or this face? Yes, sir. Y'all let me know which one y'all like too. Like I said, y'all, I ain't want to do too much, man. I just want to show y'all, upload video, keep y'all updated, let y'all know this car gonna need some work done to it. You know, I basically got it to fix it up, sell it. But my dad wanted it, so he gonna come and scoop it on up, man. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and air this tire up and go ahead and get some stuff figured out. Thank you. Oh, got these. Need though. And yeah, them tires should be good. Them tires good. All right. Hope he enjoy it. Hope he fix it up. Some W40. These are the skirts too, y'all. I ain't even show y'all. And these are the pieces too. That's the shroud. What the hell? I don't even know how this shit works. Let me see. Some of these. Never hooked this up. My dad, he'll probably put the skirts on, but I like it without the skirts. Like that. Ain't no way that been nice. Oh man. And it look like that bit clean. Kind of awesome.
What blade one out?
Yep. And it bit nice.
Yeah, it must be right.
I'm over here at my daddy's house, man. He finna pull that mud with that. Oh, some good footages right here.
When I come to get the road, got that going on.
I'm talking about this YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah, we have to push that mug on there, though.
Yep.
All right, man. Let y'all see this thing. I don't be bull crapping, man. Yes, sir. That's how we do it, man. I told my dad, I said, I had told my dad, I said, man, you think that truck gonna pull? He said, shit. Watch this.